Sure, here are 20 business ideas for 2024. 1. Eco-friendly products. Launch a business focused on sustainable and eco-friendly products, such as reusable household items, biodegradable packaging, or solar-powered gadgets. 2. Remote work solutions. Develop tools or services catering to the needs of remote workers, such as virtual collaboration platforms, ergonomic home office equipment, or productivity apps. 3. Health and wellness apps. Create an app that promotes mental health, fitness, or personalized wellness plans tailored to individual needs. 4. Online education platforms. Build an online learning platform offering courses on various subjects, including tech skills, languages, or creative arts. 5. Personalized nutrition services. Start a business that provides customized meal plans or dietary recommendations based on individuals' health goals and preferences. 6. Pet services. Offer specialized services for pets, like pet grooming, training, or subscription-based pet care boxes. 7. Subscription boxes. Curate subscription boxes focused on niche interests, such as beauty products, gourmet snacks, or hobby supplies. 8. Home renovation services. Provide eco-friendly home renovation and remodeling services, emphasizing energy efficiency and sustainable materials. 9. Digital marketing agency. Start a digital marketing agency catering to small businesses, offering services like SEO, social media management, and content creation. 10. Outdoor adventure experiences. Develop guided outdoor adventure experiences like hiking tours, camping trips, or wildlife safaris. 11. Virtual reality, VR experiences. Create VR content or experiences for entertainment, education, or training purposes. 12. Elderly care services. Establish a business offering in-home care, companionship, or technology solutions for seniors. 13. Online resale marketplace. Launch an online platform for buying and selling secondhand goods, focusing on quality and curated items. 14. Plant-based food products. Produce and sell plant-based food alternatives, such as vegan snacks, dairy-free desserts, or meat substitutes. 15. Personal styling services. Provide virtual or in-person personal styling services, helping clients curate fashionable and sustainable wardrobes. 16. Digital security consulting. Offer cybersecurity consulting services to businesses concerned with data protection and privacy. 17. Green transportation solutions. Develop or promote eco-friendly transportation options like electric bikes, car-sharing services, or charging infrastructure. 18. Smart home technology installation. Offer installation and consulting services for smart home devices, making homes more efficient and connected. 19. Community building events. Organize local events or workshops that promote community engagement and social connection. 20. Content creation studio. Build a company focused on creating multimedia content for businesses, including video production, podcasting, and graphic design. These ideas cover a range of industries and trends that are likely to be relevant and impactful in 2024. The key is to identify a niche that aligns with your interests, skills, and market demand.